Dom here from Essential RC. Thanks for tuning in to have a look at the final production version of the Supermarine Spitfire for Microsoft Flight Simulator by Flying Iron Simulations. So I had the pre-release version. They said there were a few things left to do. Cockpit looks more or less the same, I would say. From outside, ooh, I can see there is now a door. That's interesting. I assume it is closed like that. It is. And locked, and then we close the canopy. Fantastic. So let's leave that open actually. And we're going to go through the checklist for startup. Oh, this is different. So we've got 12 steps before engine start. We've got takeoff checklist and we've got an approach checklist. So let's do takeoff. So parking brake set.
Parking brake set.
Battery, as I discovered last time, is there, and you have to move the throttle to do that. So we've done that.
Battery on.
Prop control
Prop
forward.
control forward.
Ticked it before I did it, but never mind. Fuel tanks. It used to be on by default, but they've changed that to off, so you actually have to do something. That's good.
Fuel tanks on.
Idle cutoff. I assume that's idle cutoff. It used to be forward by default, so they've changed that. That's good.
Mixture. Idle / cutoff.
Throttle. Open it 1/4 inch. Tick.
Throttle. Open 1/2 inch.
Wobble pump until the light is extinguished. Oh, it used to take 2. It's taking a few more now. As I said previously, in other sims I've played on, it takes about 13, so that's good. More realistic.
Wobble or booster pump. Fuel pressure warning light extinguished.
Primer as required. What's going on here? That is the primer. Not letting me do anything there. That's unusual. Okay, let's just tick that.
Primer as required.
Booster and starter covers.
Starter / booster coil safety covers. Open.
Mixture now fully forward.
Mixture. Auto, full FWD.
And magnetos.
Magnetos. On.
And the moment of truth, starting up the amazing Merlin engine for the first time. Let's do this. Oh, that sounded better. Well done. I do like that when developers do actually listen to feedback. They've made some subtle but very important improvements there, so good for them. Right, so that is our takeoff checklist done. Sorry, our before engine checklist done. Now, excellent. Now, the whole problem with taking off a Spitfire is you do have to configure it for takeoff. So, set elevator trim, 1 bar nose down. Elevator trim is here. I'm going to do it
elevator trim. 1 bar nose down.
Rudder trim, slight right bias. Rudder trim is here. Right, so I had to check. So right is starboard. So slight starboard bias. Let's do that.
Sat rudder trim. Slight right bias.
Advance throttling forward. And then lift off at 100 to 120 miles an hour. Okay. Let's check the rest of that. I think we're good to go. So parking brake off. And let's go. Flaps should be up. So we're at Shoreham Airport, south of England, if you're wondering. So here we go, full power. Better, but not bad. So amazing, first Spitfire formation. Slowly down. Don't want to bounce. And we're down. Big rudder. Applying the brake. And we're just going to go off the end of the runway. Not bad though. I'm happy with that. Thanks for watching. Take care. See you soon.